Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about Swami Dayanand School Scholarship. Now let's begin our video. First of all, talking about the program. Swami Dayanand Education Foundation invites application for Swami Dayanand School Scholarship Program for Delhi NCR from school students of class 9th to 12th. The scholarship aims to support the education of talented and economically backward students and minimize the dropout rate among students. Selected student will receive up to 5,000 per annum. Now talking about the eligibility criteria of Swami Dayanand School Scholarship. To be eligible, an applicant must be studying in the government and private school recognized by CBSE board, have a gross annual family income not more than 2 lakh per annum from all the sources, have secured not less than 50% marks in the previous final examination, must belong to Delhi or Delhi NCR region only. Here NCR stands for National Capital Region, that means neighborhood districts of Delhi. And now talking about the benefits of that scholarship. The awards will be distributed under 4 schemes. Srimati Syam Lata Garg Scholarship for class 12th student, rupees 5,000 per annum. Next, Sri Anand Swarup Garg Scholarship for class 11th student, rupees 4,000 per annum. Next, Sri Ramlal Gupta Scholarship for class 10th student, rupees 3,000 per annum. And at last, Srimati Sheela Gupta Scholarship for class 9th student, rupees 2,000 per annum. Documents required while filling that scholarship form are copies of ration card or voter ID card, electricity bill or water bill, academic mark sheet or certificate, income certificate, proof of permanent residence. And now how can you apply for that scholarship? I had provided the link in the description box. Download the application form either in Hindi or English. Fill in the required details, enclose all supporting documents and send the completed application form to the address showing on your screen. And at the last part of that video, I will show you how to fill up that form. Now talking about the important date, application deadline is 31 December and the selection criteria for that scholarship is the first preference of the selection will be given to the financial need of the applicant and then academic merit. Some of the terms and conditions of that scholarship are a total of 500 scholarship will be offered for the year 2019-20. 30% of scholarship under this scheme are reserved for girl students, which is transferable to male students in case of non-availability of female student. Applicants should be Indian nationals and studying in a school recognized by CBSE board with consistent attendance and good academic record. SDEF reserves the right to cancel or change or alter the rules of the award of scholarship. The scholarship is open for Delhi or NCR region only. And now how can you fill up that form? You can watch the form on your screen. First of all, you have to affix a photograph with your parents and then you have to write your full name in block letters. That means you have to write your first name, middle name, last name in capital letters and then date of birth. And you have to also enclose the date of birth certificate and then gender male or female and the present class you are studying, class 9th, 10th, 11th or 12th. Next, name of your current school and then school address and then marks obtained in previous class in percentage, your father's name and then your mother's name. Then on next page, you have to write your present communication address, name, house name, mohalla or street, village and post office address, district, state, pin code, telephone number, mobile number and if you have email ID you can also provide it. And then permanent address. In permanent address you can write the address of your village, name, house name, mohalla or street, village, district, state, pin code, telephone number, mobile number and at last if you have email address you can write here. Then family annual income in rupees and then father's education, father's occupation. In father's occupation you have to write your father's job related information and then mother's education and then mother's occupation and then about your education, class 8th, name of school, main subject, year of passing, percentage you get, division or grade and similarly for class 9th, 10th and 11th. And then accommodation type. In accommodation type you have to write whether you live in your own home or in a rented home and then go to next page. Here you have to write family details, your family member name, age and education qualification and in next column you have to provide information related to things available in your house. That means items available at your home, car, Yes or no? Two-wheeler, air conditioner, television, refrigerator, RO, water machine, inverter, cooler, cable, mobile, and at last landline telephone. And then monthly expenses, telephone or mobile bill, electricity bill, water bill, ration bill, other expenses, and at last you have to write total expenses of your family. And then you have to provide your father's signature and mother's signature to the declaration that I or we declare that all the details provided in the application form are true and correct, and write date and place. And do not forget to enclose the following documents with this form: copies of ration card or voter ID card, electricity or water bill, income certificate, proof of permanent address, copies of mark sheet. And after filling up this form, send this form to the address showing on your screen. And if you feel any query, you can WhatsApp or write an email. And you can register for scholarship online at www.swamidayanand.org. If you feel any problem while filling up English form, you can also download Hindi form, for which I had provided the link in the description box. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you for watching that video. I hope to see you in another video.